Okay, last time we looked at finding sides. Now we're going to look at finding angles. It is similar, except we're going backwards, so we want to figure out what we're going to do here. Let's pretend we're standing here again, and this would be our opposite side, and this is our hypotenuse side. And so we are going to use so. Let's have our formula come up here. Okay, let's go ahead and put our numbers in from the triangle. So notice this time we don't have a number for our angle theta. This is what we're going to find this time, our theta. We do have our opposite side, which is 10, and our hypotenuse, which is 15. And so let's see how we're going to calculate this. Before we did a cross multiply, but what we're going to do this time is just put 10 divided by 15 in your calculator and write it as a decimal. And I like to write 4 digits after the decimal here, so maybe a couple more numbers here. A 4-digit decimal means it's more accurate. Okay, so once you have that, remember I said when we find angles we're going backwards? So before we use sine when we're finding sides, now when we find angles we have to go backwards and use that sine inverse. So go ahead and put in sine inverse. On your calculator it might be second sine of decimal 66. And see if you can get 42 degrees. Now leave these answers as whole numbers because then we know that it's not a side, and put your degree sign here. Let's look at another one. Okay, so this one we've got the opposite side here and we have the adjacent side here. So we're going to use tan, and here's our formula. Okay, so our opposite side is 10 and our adjacent side is 18. So the next step is go ahead and put this in your calculator. 10 divided by 18. We get 0.55, and maybe a few more decimals would be nice. And then we're going to do that backwards operation. So we'll put in tan inverse of decimal 55 and see if you can get 29 degrees.